Krisp showing an error message, yeah, that can be really confusing, especially when you don't know what's causing it. But don't worry, in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, read the error message carefully. I mean, Krisp usually gives you a clue about what's going wrong. Next, close Krisp completely and reopen it. Yeah, this can fix temporary glitches or minor bugs. Now, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, many errors happen because of weak or unstable connections. Okay, log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your session and can fix sync-related problems. Next, check your system permissions. Yeah, Krisp needs access to your microphone and audio settings to work properly. If you're using a VPN or firewall, try disabling it temporarily. I mean, it can block Krisp and cause errors. Also, make sure Krisp is updated. Older versions often have bugs that cause error messages. If it's still not working, reinstall Krisp. Yeah, this resets everything and fixes corrupted files. And finally, check if Krisp servers are down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. So yeah, that's the full guide to fixing Krisp error messages. One of these steps should solve your issue. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.